Yeah, right. Give you one word of warning when in Athens. Now, I ain't got in trouble yet, but I don't think you want to fuck with them gathers. The weapons they've got on them, mate, honestly, they are proper loaded. And apparently they're right arseholes, which gathers ain't. Right, €40 for 4 hands massage. I'll have some of that. Just in a massage place. Can't wait for this. Yes. I'm not just saying this, but that without a doubt was the most relaxing thing I've ever had in my life. I'm not sure it was the fact that I had 2 cream Greek malts rubbing me over for an hour, or the massage. Got a little bit tense when they come on my front, gotta say. I was proper holding it down. Alright, there's something going on. Your old bongo's going, boy. Alright. What the fuck is it? Kind of a butch, eh? No idea what's going on here. Hi. There they are. Pretty cool. Starving though. We'll walk down the high street. Just all the katsu curry. Should be pretty good. Livelier at night, but oh shit. Oh fuck. Sorry. Cool, they're in a row, aren't they? Take it home, mate. Graceful. Pretty cool in a square, isn't it? Banging katsu curry rub. Watching the old fellas, isn't it? Down the old night market. What a crap they're selling, I'll tell you.
Which is the best place to... A nice spot. Yeah.
Food banging, I've got to say. Yeah, look at the crap they sell. It's pretty cool. Stuffed after that katsu though. I wish I had a bit here now. Oh. Where are you going, son?
Where from, bro?
Oh, London.
Oh, excuse me, just
How you doing? Good, yeah. I ain't buying nothing about it. You like London food, yeah? So would I when I want to sell something. Yeah, you got some? Yeah. No, I'm good. You
see this bracelet?
Yeah.
This Hakuna Matata, the Ramba, Zumba for immigrant.
Right. I don't want it.
No, I give you.
I don't want it.
Don't worry, Hakuna Matata, the Ramba, Zumba. It's for Africa.
Yeah.
For black. Don't worry, be happy. Hakuna Matata, the Ramba, Zumba.
But I don't want to raise it, bro.
I wish you good love avec your girlfriend forever. No divorce, no separation. Hakuna Matata, the Ramba, Zumba. Bro, everything you have to give for support black immigrant for each side.
I ain't got nothing. I haven't actually got any cash.
I thought you would.
Huh? You gonna film me?
Yes. This year,
I ain't got no cash on me, bro.
Yes. Yes. I give you change. Yes. I give you change.
How much do you want?
Yes.
I'll give you €2. Tops.
I give you change, bro. Take.
I'm not paying €10
I
for
give you
that.
change. No, take.
I'm not paying 50 or 5 for that.
Bro, because
use the camera this way.
Yes, I use the camera, bro. Because a good person. I like London. Yes, very nice person.
You know what? You're
yes,
a nice.
thank you
you're
very
a nice
much,
man.
bro. You're nice guys.
You're a nice man.
Yes,
Go on,
thank
have
you.
it. You've sold
you
me.
ready, bro?
I like your style.
Yes, I like your style.
Give me a spud.
Yes, thank you.
Go on
bro.
then, have it.
Yes.
Right.
Nice.
Have a good night.
Very good. This is guys, bye. Don't worry, be happy. Hakuna Matata, the Ramba.
Oh, he's done me. Fair enough. Seriously though? Seriously? It's a joke. Well, more crap they're telling you, things that fling up in the air. You fling up. There we go. They're pretty good for two flicks and they break. Had one in Valencia. More crap, balloon version. 80 singing up here. Told you about right around double team. This must be all the hard nuts hanging out. Oh. See muscles down there trying it. Jesus. Oh. I think you got to be hard to sit on that step. Look where he's on the stairs. Oh, I don't know if you can see him, but I can't sit out there anymore. You know, I'm knocking him clean out. Doing press ups with bottles and that. Oh mate, I've never seen such a lob. Smell of ice. Oh mate, I'm knackered. That's going to conclude it for tonight. Oh, it's been an amazing day. I shouldn't really even come out of the hotel really, but yeah, good night. Touching his finger now. I don't know if that's because he's like not sitting right, but or he's getting a gun in. But looks a little bit like they're dancing to me. But,
Thank you.